So I wrote my first equation, and I want to find the intercepts. The x-intercept, y equals 0. I want you to write that. Write it the first time, write it the 10th time, write it the 300th time. Put it in your long-term memory. So that right before the test, you're not trying to cram it into your short-term memory. X plus 0 equals -1. X plus 0 is x. X equals -1. So the x-intercept is -1 comma 0. The y-intercept, x equals 0. Write that on your paper. 0 plus y equals -1. So y equals -1 is 0 comma -1. I'm going to go to the grid on my printout. Put in this, I'm grabbing my straight edge. For the first one, -1, 0, and then 0, -1, and then connect the dots. On the computer, you will select the line tool and secure those 2 points, and it'll put the line in for you. For the other line, I'll go back to my page here. I have x minus y equals -3. So the x-intercept, y equals 0. X minus 0 is equal to -3. So x equals -3. The x-intercept is -3 comma 0. The y-intercept, we'll put x equal to 0. 0 minus y equals -3. Now 0 minus y is -y. -y equals -3. But negative, you got to get rid of the negative in front of the y. Got to. -y is the same as -1y equals -3. So you'll hear people say, divide both sides by -1. And I'm going to end up with y equals +3. So the y-intercept on the second line is 0 comma 3. Be careful about plotting this. I'll show you what I saw students do just a few weeks ago. They were doing things like this. -3 comma 3. They were plotting -3 comma 3. I'm like, that's not it. That's not the intercept. I put it kind of light here because I don't want it to be very pronounced. But I need to graph -3 comma 0 and 0 comma 3. And if you do this on the computer, which they're forcing you to do, then it's easy to see the intersection point. If you're graphing it freehand, you might not guess it correctly. You're going to have to check your guess. See, I got -2 comma 1 is my guess. Check that in these equations. -2 plus 1, that is -1. And -2 minus 1, that is -3. The solution set is -2 comma 1.